True.
Hello friends, good morning all of you. This time I came up with another unboxing video, and I have purchased a Samsung S20 FE 5G smartphone, and I got it just for 25 rupees with the exchange offers and other offers made by the Samsung. And already I have unboxed this, but again I just want to show you the box content, so I repeat the unboxing process of this mobile phone. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here you can see that already I have opened it, and actually this is the cover which I applied, and this is the phone. You can see there are three cameras, 12 megapixels cameras, and here you can see that the power lock button, volume lock button, mic cancellation, and SIM ejector here, and this side there is nothing. And this phone features 6.5 inches touchscreen, and it has a 32 megapixel front facing camera, and here you can see that the speaker wheel and the Type-C cable and for the microphone. So hey guys, this was a very quick unboxing of this Samsung S20 FE 5G smartphone, and the detailed review I will after a few days I will put on my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you very much.